One of the best way to make money in crypto is buy token before it get launched on the marketplace, and Bybit is launching a token on their IDO. In this video, I'm going to explain the full details of this event and how you'll be able to participate and hopefully get this token before it started launching on marketplace. And not make sure you do your own research. This is just educational purpose. And right here, come to this Web3. Once you press this Web3, you find this Moon app. This token is in preparation. If you find that right here in progress, and until subscription end is 8 days 13 hours 28 minutes 30 51 seconds, and right here you just need to press to view the subscription period. Once this subscription period end, followed by snapshots. After snapshots, followed by lottery. After lottery, followed by redemption. So this is the phrase of this event. The requirements are you have to have account with Bybit, and number two is participating from a Bybit wallet created with a main account. You have to create your account. I've made some series of video on how to create your account with Bybit. Make sure you check my video on my channel to check that out. And the third thing you have to be doing right here to qualify for this event is participants must have a Bybit wallet with a balance or with balance as with balance of at least 300 USDC on Ethereum chain to be eligible for IDO participation. Failing to maintain this balance during the snapshot period will result in ineligible. 3 snapshots will be taken per day. During this snapshot from January 9, 10 o'clock UTC time to January 12, 10 o'clock UTC time. That's the time of the event this snapshot will be taken. After the snapshot, the lottery is going to start, and if you get token with this lottery, you'll be able to commit your token, commit to USDC, and buy this token at this price. This Moon app token is being offered at 0.0067 USDC price, and right there total redeemable value is 200 USDC. So you'll be able to buy this per ticket if you win lottery, and participants 12,781 people will be able to participate. And right here total winning ticket is 150 tickets. And right here IDO timeline, you just need to come over here and read this information, and after you read the information you understand, just press right here subscribe now. And right here you will receive this ticket number. This is the ticket number you watch out for when this lottery ticket starts. And when I press back, submission successful. And right here I have one ticket right here. To earn more tickets, you have to complete this task. That's all you need to be doing, and hopefully you win the lottery and you'll be able to purchase this and redeem this token. And that's all you need to be doing. If you get value in this, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn off your notification bell. I'm going to see you on the next video.